Hey guys, so right now I'm doing a deep conditioning on my hair. I'm running a bit late because I have to get to work in the next like hour or so, an hour and some change or so, but yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to really come out here quickly and do this deep conditioning because I did want to deep condition my hair before I go to work because I'm doing like a wash and go, which I'm gonna also videotape later on to show you guys. But yeah, anyway, so the deep conditioner I'm using is the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Masque. I haven't done a deep conditioner like almost a month now, so I don't really deep condition my hair a lot since it's so short and I cut it off. I don't really see the point to, but I just wanted to be extra this time and I wanted to try out a new deep conditioner. And excuse me if I'm talking weird because I am getting sick. Like the back of my throat, my stomach, all that stuff is not really working out right now for me. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts when I'm finished. So I'm just gonna apply the product like a regular conditioner. When it comes out, let me turn down this light. It's a bit chunky, a bit thick. Like, there's a in my hand. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it or see that, but it's a bit thick. So I'm just gonna rub it in my hair. It smells amazing and it's really creamy. Like I feel like a little bit of this goes a long way. So yeah, I shampoo and condition my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, the Cream of Nature moisture defense, honey, and shea butter and coconut oil conditioner and shampoo. Those are like my holy grails. I always use those conditioners. That shampoo. Those will always be one of my staples. Like, I just really love it for the shampoo. Really, the conditioner is okay. It's not all that, but it will do. So yeah. So that's all I'm doing. Since I have short hair, it's not like I have to apply a lot of product. I'm gonna just use all of this because it is a lot. Now I'm just gonna leave that a little bit and mix it with my other conditioner. But I'm gonna have some more, just apply it. I'm just massaging it through my hair, through my scalp, like on the back here. So that's it. On the back of the packet, it says direction. Liberty comb through on clean wet hair, leave in up to 7 minutes before rinsing. No heat required. I think it says no heat required because I ripped off the other part of the mask. Deep Repair Mask is an intense treatment for best results used twice a week. Alright, so this is how much product I have left. I have still a bit of product in here. So I'm going to leave this in for 7 minutes like the direction says, and I'm going to come back to you guys. I'm going to rank.
Overall, I enjoyed the end result of this deep conditioner. It made my hair really soft, made my curls really fat and juicy. The detangling process was pretty easy. However, I did not like the fact that there wasn't much slip. I appreciate that the conditioner was nice and thick and it was wonderfully scented. This conditioner wasn't that spectacular to me. It was just a deep conditioner. However, I enjoyed the end results, which was nice soft hair. That's all I look for. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.